Hi everyone, today we are going to implement preventing the double clicks, preventing the double requests when clicking on a button. So I already have a small component here. I have a React Native boilerplate. So let's get into that. So I'm going to create a loading variable, and I'm going to create a function and submit. And then on click, just to simulate, press. Okay, we have an error here. Let's import use state. I'm going to fix the container here. Flexer on all items. Container. Okay, so we have our button here. We can just do console.log. So how do we do that in a real case scenario? We just create a disabled equals to loading. So when the user clicks on the button, we set loading to true. So while the request is ongoing, so the request will be done here. Maybe with an await or an asynchronous function that will be called, and then later we'll put it back to. That's a simple hack in order to prevent a double request where user clicks on the button multiple times and you don't want to trigger multiple requests when the user does that. So that's how you handle it. So when you click, loading will be true, so button will be disabled and user won't be able to click on the button. And later when the request is returned or result, we put it back to false and the button will be clickable again. So that's all for today. Subscribe and follow for more tutorials.